Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 24th, 2022. We're going to talk about Loopring today and give you all this huge price update for this currency. Welcome, everyone, to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. You guys can see already there is one on the chart that I predicted that Loopring was going to go down. You guys can see it did. So now I wanted to come in and show you what I'm looking forward to now in this particular market. So before I get started, to everyone who is new to the channel, welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I come through and I do price predictions without the confusion. I don't come in and try to give you all a whole lot of hype, acting like everything's going to freaking moon up to $15,000, $30,000 per cryptocurrency. No, I keep it on the real. And I make sure that we are in position to win on price movement. So you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit the like button. Share the video, also subscribe to the channel. All right, so now real quick, let me break down the price history of Loopring against my last price prediction, which was right here on April the 24th. I did an update video because I originally had this price prediction on since April the 10th, and you guys can see that the market definitely panned out the way that I expected it to go. Came through on April the 24th, did another video, and I told you all that I wasn't changing my price prediction, and we got the ultimate TP price out right there on April the 30th, 27.8%. If I were to get off the market now, though, look how much profitability I'm in, 44.25. It's just that simple. That's the proof right there that you all can do this for yourself without looking for somebody else to show you where prices are going to go. Keep it locked in here so you guys can learn as much as possible. Let me take that away. Now, the biggest thing that I wanted to show you all for this video today is that Loopring has broken the trend, right? Since the last video that I've done on April the 24th, Loopring is now trading below this overall trend. That's not a good sign. This is no longer a bull market in Loopring. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you. I'm here telling you right now, basically by what people have done, whether or not they were buying or selling Loopring lets us know now that the market is no longer in an uptrend. We got to let that go. This is not that type of environment right now in Loopring. So if we're not seeing price on an uptrend, then that only leaves us two other ways that price can go. Either price will continue to trade sideways or the market will continue to fall, which we've already seen price fall. So is that still the course? Is the market in Loopring still falling? Let's try to figure it out. So since we are no longer trending in an uptrend, we need to get rid of this line. Okay. And I want you all to notice that a lot of the price history in Loopring occurs below this area, right? I would say like below 80 cents. It's where the majority of the trades occur, or the price history has occurred in the Loopring. Now, we did have this small spat to where the market did break out. Like this was the moon price in Loopring. Very short time frame, October 2021 to like November. That is where the price mooned. Did you take the profitability during that time? Because I know a lot of people was happy. You know, there was a lot of FUD going on. Fear of missing out was also mixed in. And now here we are at 55 cents. So check this out. Let's try to figure out if this market in Loopring wants to continue following a trend. Okay. Look at that. Did you come in and buy Loopring right here? Because you guys can tell that this has been a very slow, methodical ascending line. Is this the actual trend that market is trying to follow in Loopring? Because if so, you should have bought right there. Let me zoom in so you all can see it. Did you come in and buy right there on May the 12th? Because this is where the market actually touched this trend, which started all the way back to November 2020. So almost been 2 years of this price in Loopring coming back down to test that ascending line. Guess what? I'm going to hold that line there. Okay. I'm going to hold it. Check that out. Is that a coincidence that price in Loopring is trading below this downtrend line? Is that a coincidence that the market right here saw so much volume yesterday and we closed off the highs right next to this downtrend line? Is that just coincidence? No, of course it's not. Everyone has access to the same information. The only way that we're able to win is that we're able to interpret it a lot better to see what's about to happen. So what happened yesterday is massively indicative of selling coming through. There was more selling going on into the market in Loopring than there were buyers, which lets me know that this downtrend line is still affecting Loopring's price. It is still there. Let's look at Loopring on the 2-day. You guys can see it right there too. So what is the expectation by us seeing the price get rejected on that downtrend line, as well as Loopring not able to break above this level? Tells us that that's an issue. It's just an issue momentarily. It doesn't mean that it's going to forever impact the buyers from pushing price above 63.5 cents. It doesn't mean that it won't happen. It's just like a snag. It's just a stoppage right now that's impacting the buyer from moving up. So right now, we really need to be paying attention to see if the buyers really want to buy up this currency at this price level, because if so, then definitely 63 cents is not going to be a problem. We're going to continue to see higher prices as the market continues to trade. So right now, it's kind of like the environment where you want to be still. You don't want to come in and move. You want the buyers to confirm that they want to break price above 63 cents. Because if so, then we know we can continue to buy the market. But as of right now, they're trying to win. And so far, they're not winning. Okay. Look at this on the 15-hour chart. Okay. So you guys can see over the last couple of 15-hour price bars that, yeah, there's a lot more selling coming into the market now in Loopring. All the volume is definitely showing us that. So should we come in and buy the currency right now? No, we shouldn't. Because selling is coming through. Look at Loopring on the 7-hour. Should we come in and buy the currency now? No, we shouldn't, because the market is still trending down. What about on the 3-hour? Pay attention to the market in Loopring right here. We want to see the market buyers coming around 52 cents to 51 cents. Okay, because that will confirm the trend, and that will confirm that the market buyers are going to try again to break price above 63, 64 cents. So this is it right here. I want to see the market come down, and I want us to see it bounce off this line, that ascending line, and begin to trek back up, and then eventually break out of that 63 price level. We have to see that. If the market in Loopring does this, then the market's not going to break 63, 64 cents. I already know that. I won't be confused. I won't even question. I already know that the overall market is still weak. And with all of this high volume, look at all that volume. It stands out. There's a whole lot of selling came into the market at 63 cents. So yeah, the buyers got a big job ahead of them in order to lift price above 63 cents. They do. So what do you think we need to do then? Like I said, every time we come in and look at a market, we have 3 options. We always have 3 options. The first one would be buy the market. The second one would be sell the market. Or the third one could be just don't do anything at all until we get more confirmation as to which side is winning. So if I'm looking for the price in Loopring to go up, and I see that selling is coming in the market, I need to wait. If I'm a seller and I'm looking for price to continue to go down, then I need to see buyers come into the market right here, like I told you, around 52 cents or alongside that ascending line. Because if I see buyers there, then I know I need to cover and close out my position. You have to learn how to see both sides of the market, right? So as of right now, what I'm going to do in Loopring is I'm going to wait, right? Because I definitely still see some weakness here into the market in Loopring, but it's not detrimental to where we can see long-term price attempt to break above 65 cents later on, right? So we need to be focusing on the areas here. I really don't want to see the buyers let the sellers take out that level right here, 52, 53 cents, like I told you earlier. So I'm not in a rush, right? The market, you don't have to feel like you're in a rush to go in and put on these price predictions. You want to wait until you have a clear picture as to which direction the market is going, because right now I know there's selling going on. I know it. So now I just need to wait to see how low prices is going to go in the midst of all this selling. Okay. So now I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to leave it alone. You guys can actually see what I think though, as market continues to trade in Loopring. Once I get a little bit more definitive as to which side is winning, then I'll come in and do a price prediction. But you don't have to wait. If you guys think price is going to go up, hey, let us know. If you think price is going to continue to go down, hey, let us know. All right. And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.